Welcome to this quick guide on viewing pinned messages in a Discord channel, updated for the latest interface. If you're wondering where important notes and announcements live, pins are your best friend. Here's how to find them fast. First, open Discord and head into your server. From there, navigate to the exact channel where you think something important is pinned. The goal is to access a curated list of pins without scrolling through every message. Next, look at the top of the channel name area. On mobile, you'll typically see a long press option on the channel name. On desktop, you can right-click the channel name to reveal more actions. In either case, you want to reveal the channel options so you can move toward the pinned content. Once you've activated the channel options, choose the Edit Channel path. This opens the channel settings where you can adjust various details about the channel. You won't need to change anything here for the pins, but this is the step that leads you toward the pinned messages in the updated layout. From there, locate and select pinned messages. This opens a dedicated view that lists every message someone pinned in that channel. Each pin will show who pinned it along with the timestamp so you can understand the context and relevance quickly. As you scroll through the pinned items, you'll notice you can click or tap on any pin to jump straight to that message in the chat. This makes it easy to revisit important rules, welcome notes, or crucial links without hunting for the original post. Tips to streamline the process. If you're frequently checking pins, consider keeping a mental note of which channels are most active in pinning content.